Hi, I'm Julius from Systema Solutions, and today I'll be demonstrating how to access actions and navigation menus efficiently with keyboard. Organizations are looking to streamline their operations through AI, automation, and empowering workers with productivity tools. When time to enter data is critical, every keystroke and mouse click counts. Business Central adopts the familiar experience from Microsoft 365 applications, such as Excel and Word, to boost efficiency for keyboard users. Access keys with key tips help users quickly explore, navigate, and activate any action in the action bar, navigation menus, and other user interface elements. To access this feature, in Business Central, simply press the Alt key. Once pressed, we will be presented with shortcuts corresponding to the different menus. If I press C, it will take me to the customers page. If I press Alt again, this time I'll press JF. It will bring down the finance menu. Press G. Now it's taken me to the general journals list. We hope that this feature would aid in navigating Business Central's various menus faster and more efficiently. Thank you.